Hi, this is Missimi, and again, I'm going to rant about a topic that is very close to my heart, not in a good way. A few days ago, I had put up this question tag asking students, like asking my followers, like what is the worst thing that has happened to them in school. When I was younger, like literally in kindergarten, our teacher started a new chapter. So I was turning the pages, and I was a full crybaby when I was younger, and I didn't know like which page number it is. And this like nanny type of a person who's also a teacher came to me and just like slapped me because of that.
You did this for what?
Why not?
Why?
Why not?
I was in kindergarten and now I'm a 20-year-old adult, but I still remember that incident. And that was not the only time this happened. Another time, what happened is during annual function, we were waiting for our turn to perform. Some kids started performing and the crowd was cheering really loud. So some kids went to check like what they're doing. Of course, like we would have joined back in line or something. But again, I was slapped because like, why would you go there?
यार आजकल भी पिटते हैं क्या लोग? मुझे पता नहीं था। आई नो, मेरे स्कूल में बहुत पिटते थे। मैंने आई थिंक 5 स्कूल्स देखे अपनी लाइफ में, और पांचों स्कूल्स में बहुत पिटाई होती थी बच्चों की। बट सबकी बहुत पिटाई नहीं होती थी, कुछ लोगों की होती थी। बट आई जस्ट वंडर, मतलब पीटना सबको इट वाज नॉर्मलाइज्ड। बट आई वंडर कि आज भी क्या इतनी पिटाई होती है जितनी पहले होती थी, क्योंकि मुझे नहीं लगता। आई थिंक आजकल तो लाइक नहीं होती पिटाई यार। मैं व्हेन आई वाज लाइक जब मैं 12th 11th 12th में आ गया था, तब तक ही आई हैड सीन लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ पेरेंट्स जस्ट स्टार्टेड फाइटिंग टीचर्स कि तुमने मार कैसे दिया मेरे बच्चे को एंड शिट।
I was one of those kids who used to like really not argue back, just cry. Like I used to be really quiet. I used to never ever talk back to teachers because my parents taught me that like you should never talk back to elders. That is really shit advice. I mean, you should be respectful to teachers, but it does not mean that anyone does everything and you just let them. Because what I've realized is that school has bullies and it's not just students. Teachers can be bullies too. Sometimes they target specific students, sometimes they are biased towards specific students, and it is not necessary that the students that are loved need to be students that are good at like studies and everyone else is just trash and not good at anything else. That's why they deserve like inhuman treatment. I think it also depends on who is more confident, who is more good looking, who is more of an ass kisser, or like basically just has the appeal as like a child. And I don't think that is an environment that is full of growth for a child. Like at least for me and multiple other people I know, it killed our self-esteem, and I am still trying to recover. I know it's a difficult job to teach unruly teenagers who are always trying to make fun of you, and basically our age group or teenagers in general are very annoying to deal with, and it's a tough job. So I would no way encourage students to make fun of teachers. That
भाई, मैंने स्कूल्स में दोनों चीज़ें देखी हैं, और मैंने ये दोनों चीज़ें सारे स्कूल्स में देखी है। ये बात एकदम सच है। ये बात ये बात एकदम सच है कि इंडियन स्कूल्स में टीचर्स बच्चों को बहुत बुरी तरह से ट्रीट करते हैं, सम टीचर्स। बट मैं तुम्हें एक ऑनेस्टली अपने एक्सपीरियंस से बताता हूँ, और मुझे लगता है ये यूनिवर्सल चीज़ है। यूनिवर्सल मतलब इंडिया की बात कर रहा हूँ। ये ज़्यादा एक्यूरेट है, क्योंकि आई हैव बीन टू, एज आई सेड, आई हैव बीन टू मल्टीपल स्कूल्स एंड आई हैव आल्सो नोन अबाउट अ लॉट ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस एंड लॉट ऑफ स्कूल्स। ठीक है, कुछ स्कूल्स ऐसे होता है जहाँ पे मारना पीटना नॉर्मलाइज होता है, कुछ स्कूल होते हैं जहाँ ऐसा मारना पीटना बच्चों को नॉर्मलाइज नहीं होता। दोनों स्कूल्स में दोनों स्कूल्स में टीचर्स भी बुले होते हैं बच्चों से। बच्चे कतई हरामी हैं। हर टीचर का एक निकनेम होता है। हर टीचर को चढ़ाते हैं। ठीक है, कुछ उनके फेवरेट स्टूडेंट, जैसे इंग्लिश वाला टीचर होती है, इंग्लिश वाला टीचर को तो वो नहीं चढ़ाता, लेकिन फिर भी भाई, जब आप 8वीं क्लास में होते हो, जब आप 9वीं क्लास में होते हो, तब आपको अकल नहीं होती। एंड व्हेन आई लुक बैक आई रियलाइज कि पता है, आप कोई यंग फीमेल टीचर है ना भाई, देयर आर ऑलवेज स्टूडेंट्स हु डू समथिंग इनअप्रोप्रिएट। Now there's the other side to that is कि they are so young, they are not even supposed to do something inappropriate, तो उनको भी एकदम पता नहीं होता वो क्या कर रहे होते हैं, बट सबकॉन्शियसली कॉन्शियसली जो भी आप उसको कहो, they are doing some extremely inappropriate things. I've seen that shit happen. You know, चाहे वो it could be something as simple as कि टीचर पीछे ब्लैक बोर्ड में कुछ लिख रही है, आपने सीटी मार दी, और आप 8th क्लास के बच्चे हो। ठीक है, लेकिन पॉइंट ये है कि भाई, ये भी मतलब जिन स्कूल्स में बच्चे पिटते नहीं ना, उस स्कूल्स में भी ये होता है, और जिनमें पिटते हैं उसमें भी होता है। लेकिन पिटते हैं कुछ स्कूल्स में बच्चे और कुछ स्कूल्स में नहीं बचते। मतलब टीचर्स एट फॉल्ट कुछ स्कूल्स में है, कुछ स्कूल्स में नहीं है, लेकिन बच्चे एट फॉल्ट ऑलमोस्ट हर स्कूल में है। ऐसा एक स्कूल नहीं है भारत में जिसमें टीचर्स की खिल्लियाँ ना उड़ाई जाती हो, और फिर एक ना एक टीचर को परेशान ना करते हो। ऐसा ज़रूर हो सकता है कि भाई सारे टीचर्स को, देखो ऑब्वियस सी बात है, अगर तुम्हारे 5 सब्जेक्ट्स है तो तुम पांचों टीचर के साथ कोई परेशान नहीं करोगे। कोई तुम्हारा फेवरेट होगा, कोई तुम्हारा लीस्ट फेवरेट होगा, कोई बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट होगा, जैसे तुम पंगे नहीं ले सकते। लेकिन दो चीज़ें होंगी, एक तुम्हारा फेवरेट क्लास होगी और एक तुम्हारी वर्स्ट लीस्ट फेवरेट क्लास होगी, और जो लीस्ट फेवरेट क्लास होगी उसमें तुम टीचर की ज़िंदगी बर्बाद करोगे। मैं जब स्कूल तुम छोड़ो भाई, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूशंस अगर तुम्हें देखना है कि भाई कितना सैड हालत है टीचर्स की, भाई प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस में जाओ। चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी कहने को इंडिया की फर्स्ट लार्जेस्ट प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी है, मतलब सब रैंक 1 लार्जेस्ट प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी है, A+ एक्रेडिशन है, A++ या जो भी कहते हैं उसको, ठीक है। मैंने रोते हुए देखी हैं फीमेल स्टूडेंट टीचर्स को, मैंने रोते हुए देखी, एक दो नहीं, कम से कम 10, कम से कम 10 बता रहा हूँ, और मेरा कोई सी बैचमेट से पूछ लो जाके अगर मैं फेंक रहा हूँ तो। असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ये 25 साल के 26 साल के उठा के ले आते हैं, एक 22 साल के तो बच्चे बैठे हैं वहाँ पे, सीटी बजा रहे हैं, तालियां पीट रहे हैं, हेकलिंग कर रहे हैं, और क्लास में 150 बच्चे हैं, तो आप कोई एक्चुअल में बता भी नहीं सकता कि कौन कर रहा है ये। तुम एक को खड़ा करोगे सब खड़े हो जाएंगे, और ये चल रहा है 2-2 हफ्ते 3-3 हफ्ते। कुछ बोलो तो खराब तरीके से बात करते हैं, और बाकी के बच्चे इतने नीच, उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
I just wanted to talk about how much impact teachers have on your self-esteem throughout your life. There was a history teacher who was, like, to be honest, the only teacher who was nice to me. I scored the highest in history, and it has been so encouraging ever since, because she praised me, and that was a simple unit test, but it stayed with me till now, and that encouraged me to study harder for history. Just being nicer to kids is something that will be way more impactful. Back in middle school, I used to zone out a lot, and in one of the classes I zoned out, and the teacher was really mad at me, and he asked me to stand in the corner, hold my ears. I started crying very like badly, because I don't know why I zone out so much, but like it was never intentional. It was a common thing to say, Miss Simi, are you in India? Are you in China? Are you in some other country? I don't know how much of it is my fault, how much of
That's funny.
it is other people's fault. But do I
भाई फनी तो है भाई, सोचो भाई ये बच्ची सो रही है, टीचर बोलता है चाइना चली गई। Oh shit, that's funny, bro.
think the reaction that it had
That's
had
insane.
a fruitful impact? Do I think the reaction was proportionate? I don't think so. I started crying, and one of the
That's
students
funny,
pointed out to
bro.
the teacher that she's crying, and he was like, "Let her cry. She deserves it," or something like that. And again, that was very embarrassing for like 40-50 people to watch you cry, and just basically like someone yelling at you in front of so many people, it just scars your self-esteem so much. Sometimes you feel encouraged that, no, I'm going to like show you, I'm going to be better, but that is not the usual impact. And as soon as you fuck up somewhere, you feel like maybe I am trash, maybe I am not good for anything. Policing girls' uniform is something so common with Indian schools. Not just with Indian schools, I guess it's a thing everywhere. But I'm just going to talk about Indian schools because that is all I have experienced. In the worst case scenario, there was a girl who had short hair. She did 2 ponytails, and we were supposed to wear red rubber bands. She wore a red rubber band and an orange rubber band, and that was not a fashion statement. I am pretty sure she ran out of hair ties. That's why she did it. But her hair was pulled, and she was slapped, and her hair, like, she was dragged by her hair. I don't know what happened to that teacher that day. She's usually very calm, so that was very unpredictable behavior from her side. I think it might be something related to some personal problem or something. I don't know, but it was taken out on a child that was really young, and that was so traumatizing. That didn't even happen to me, but like it was really scary, and I'm pretty sure it was very embarrassing for her. I remember talking to her recently, and she still mentioned that incident. Yeah, another thing outside dress coding girls is interacting with boys in any way, whether it's romantic, whether it's platonic, whether it's just a friend, a brother, a cousin, a senior, a junior, whatever it might be. It's always a big deal, even in co-ed schools. And there might be exceptions, of course, but I'm talking about what I have experienced, what I have heard from other people. Basically, just talking to guys can get you in trouble. I would be sharing a story time of a friend who was dating this guy in school, and she and he were one of those couples that don't really do anything outside just sitting next to each other in a bench. They're not very touchy or something, and I don't think they did anything inappropriate. She had kept her head on his shoulder during recess, and a teacher saw it. I didn't even notice all that. I was having my lunch, I was minding my business. The teacher thought me and my other friends were trying to cover them, and make some protective shield for them to do inappropriate things. And basically she made such a huge deal out of it. She started screaming, she called other teachers, and next day the girl was asked to reenact the entire scene in front of the class, and she was slapped. And the class captain, like, she was also there, she was also minding her business, but again she was considered a part of the shield. So her badge was snatched and she was slapped. And such a over dramatic reaction for keeping her head on someone's shoulder. Like, okay, this is just one of the examples, but like there are plenty, and I'm sure that you guys must have your own. If you don't, then I'm happy for you. Things like clothes and basically talking to boys, we're giving so much importance, while worse things like bullying, sexual harassment were sidelined, and I think that sucks. Like in colleges also, I've noticed sexual harassment is just treated as some passing topic. It is not given importance. It's just gossip. It's so normalized. Locker room talks were so common, like basically sexualizing girls, rating girls. Guys are so homophobic in school, but they also keep hitting and touching each other's balls while like fighting or something. And
Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
I also believe that if I could go back in class right now, I would have cared a lot more about academics than I did back then, because I don't think that, except for a few students who know about what's going on with international colleges, or with what's a CV, what's a bachelor's degree, what's a master's degree, what you need to put in a CV. Like kids had no clue about this, except a very few people who were either rich, or they went to IB schools, or they had elder siblings or parents who were really educated about things like this. The rest of us were just there to pass, I think. At least I was. I felt like I'll do well at boards. That should be enough. Like, I found that 90% thing very discouraging. I got 90%. Some of those kids
Got 90%, that's crazy, bro. It's crazy. मैं तो 50% वाला भी नहीं हूँ. That's
Stint.
crazy, bro.
What I would do if I didn't win, I guess we'll never know.
I feel like that might not have been the case for some kids, because like if they didn't get 90%, they probably still think that they are trash, that they are not capable
Same happened to me.
of it, or they are not good enough or something like that. And I don't think they deserve that. They are also
I don't think, bro. Okay, यार Indian schools, I think institutionally are very fucked up. I don't know the exact reason why. Teachers को आप blame नहीं कर सकते. मैं ऐसे बंदे जानता हूँ जो bully बहुत हुए हैं. I must have told this one story on stream कि there was this one guy जिसको सब पीटते थे just because उनको पीटना था. ऐसे बहुत बच्चे हैं. In fact, tier 2 शहरों में schools में तो बहुत कुछ गलत होता है यार. There's like a lot of things wrong with something.